Hi, my name is Nathan Winsack. I'm the head of the integration division with AMP Global. I'm responsible for the PAC brand. Today I'm going to introduce you to our new installation kit for the 2015 to 2018 F-150 and Super Duties with the 8-inch display. The kit comes with two different inserts for the top button assembly. You can accommodate the 2-button or 3-button configuration. We also provide two different options for the lower portion for different climate control options that your vehicle might have. That it simply bolts right on and matches what you need for your car. We provide a 5.2-inch ultra-wide touch panel display to retain some of the climate control features, as well as offer driver safety awareness camera systems and control. This system allows you to display cameras for the front, rear, or side view cameras on your aftermarket radio. We also retain parking sensor information on our display, as well as offer automotive performance gauge clusters. We have two different styles to choose from here. This kit is really more of a system. It comes with everything that you need to install an aftermarket radio of your choice. It comes with the plastic fascia, the electronic interface that talks to your vehicle's computer system and makes everything work seamlessly. Please, if you have a Ford F-150 or Super Duty, please look up our Rpk4 Fd2101. Here we have our Rpk4 CH4101 installation kit solution for the 2013 to 2019 Ram trucks. This kit works on every trim package of the Ram truck. It retains the climate controls that for your vehicle. It displays this information on this 5.2-inch ultra-wide display panel. It's a touch screen as well. Obviously we do not have this connected right now at the moment, but I can show you a little bit of that functionality here. This is our Ford kit, so it's styled for Ford, but you can see how we retain the climate control functions. The style of this graphical user interface will be styled more like what you have now on your factory radio in your Ram, but it will have that same kind of functions. We also provide camera control functions so that you can add driver safety cameras, front, rear, side, and maybe like a bed cam or a cargo cam. And all of those things are controllable and viewable from this interface. And we can display that image right on your aftermarket radio. We also support the retention of your factory parking sensor information. So anytime those parking sensors are active, it's going to immediately display that information on the screen. Then lastly, we also provide automotive performance gauge information. So if you'd like, you could choose from your choice of different gauge styles. So this is part of a complete solution for replacing your radio in your Ram. It comes with the plastic fascia. It accommodates a single or double DIN radio. It comes with the electronic interface that is going to talk to your vehicle's computer system and make everything work seamlessly and retain all of your vehicle features when you install that aftermarket radio. So if you are in the market to replace your radio in your Ram truck, please check out PAC's Rpk4 CH4101.